Yeah, people. Him say bad.
Yeah, man.
Bad enough. You can't go wrong with a bit of pie and mash. Fully active, my father. Cook and vibe. Fully active, welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. If you ain't done the right thing, press that like button. Do it right now, quick and fast. And if you ain't subscribed already, please do the right thing. People, today is all about showing my Jamaican brethren the most English food possible. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, I love Jamaican food. Obviously, I've been to Jamaica enough times with George P. You don't know, beer times he's taken me, showing me beer liquid different places that you can get food and everything there. So now, it's my turn to show him Wagwan in the UK. Do you know what I'm saying? I hope I get it right. Leave the comments in the comment section and let me know if you feel like I've done it authentic enough. I'm going to try and do it the proper English style. You see me? So yeah, man, big up George P. Let's go. First of all, people, you got to start with a proper English cup of tea. You know what I'm saying? Remember, you know, around the world, most people don't put milk in their tea. We're one of the only countries that put milk in their tea. So we're going to start off the day with a proper English cup of tea. You know what I mean? Listen, I told you the most English food as possible. We've had a nice English cup of tea. You know what I'm saying? Now, I brought him to a place. Please agree with me in the comments if you think this is the right place to bring him for some proper English food. All right, Harry's Pie and Mash. You know what I'm saying, people? Yeah, it makes sense, man, some proper English food.
See that?
First time.
First time.
You see me?
Hear that?
Yeah. You definitely don't get them thing there in Jamaica. So, a good vibes. One pie, two mash. That is it. Big up Harry's. We're in Sittingbourne, Kent. Come check them out. That is it, people. Proper. Look. 2 pie, 1 mash. Got the eels there. Even look, the orange squash. You know what I mean? Original. So you can get a sarsaparilla squash. We're gonna get that, the sarsaparilla. See me, apple pie and everything there. Proper things. That is it. We're not playing no games, people. We got the 2 mash, 1 pie. We got the liquor. You know what I'm saying? We got the sarsaparilla juice. Come on, we're not playing no games. And we got the good gear. You know what I'm saying? You know what the good gear is, right? The chili vinegar. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have the good gear. You don't know. Little salt. That is it. Let's see what you think about it. Jellied eels. Some proper thing this, man. See it there, people. I told him you gotta have the chili vinegar all over it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, good vibes, man. Pie and mash. Let's see what he's saying. Yeah, people. Him say bad.
Yeah, man.
Bad enough. You can't go wrong with a bit of pie and mash.
Can't go wrong.
See, you have to have the chili vinegar, makes it better as well, innit?
Yes.
Yeah, man. A good vibes, people.
Good vibe.
We're winning.
Yeah, man.
People. Bit of pie and mash. And I'm really glad I found this place as well. Because I was looking online for a pie and mash place. And I couldn't find it. My brethren told me about this one over in Sittingbourne in Kent in the Forum. Harry's Pie and Mash. You know what I mean? Go check it out. It's really, really nice actually. Proper. Nowadays, most people just have like pie and mash and liquor. But the jelly deals is like the old school thing. Yeah, sarsaparilla, you know, people. Mad thing. You know about sarsaparilla? I always thought it was a Caribbean thing, right? Apparently, it's always been popular in pie and mash. Look at that, you learn something new every day. So I recommended to put some chili vinegar. Yeah. That is it.
First
Stewed eels. It's a proper English thing. Like it? Yeah? Not many people like it, you know. Not young people don't like it. Is it good?
Good.
Tell the truth, I've never tried it. I've never tried it. People, I was really didn't want to try it, you know. But, do you know what? It's not bad at all. It's actually quite nice. See it there? Even me, I've tried jellied eels for the first time, stewed eels ever today. Look at that. The thing done. Yeah. Yeah, that is it, people. So you're done now. Started off with a British cup of tea. Pie and mash for lunch. 1 YGP. That is it. That is it. Next. So it's been a couple hours since you've had lunch, which is pie and mash, obviously. So next, what's the most British thing that we could have for dinner? Fish and chips. And they're true. Lighting's a bit mad, but yeah, this is our local family fish and kebab. Don't know, fish and chips. It's my local one, so yeah. We might get pickled egg as well. You know what I'm saying? I feel like that's traditional as well. Done the gherkins, we got some of them indoors. Oh, sorry there. Yeah. My G. Yeah, salt and vinegar. Put some onion vinegar on it. You've got to add some onion vinegar. We've got a pickled onion. See there, people? Bit of cod. That is it. Got the chips, you know what I mean? Some onion vinegar on them. We've got the pickled egg. We've got the pickled onions, and we've even got the gherkin. We've got everything there. You know what I'm saying? I eat that, people. You know what I'm saying? That is it. English style. Stay George.
But I'm not tell a lie. Chicken with the chips and the mayonnaise shot. I'm gonna taste the...
You taste the pickled egg yet?
No, I'm gonna taste it yet.
Right, with a pickled onion. Egg's nice, isn't it?
Pick an egg, done with the mayonnaise.
That is it. The gherkin as well.
One thing in London, I'm gonna tell you like, people always have said, the fish and the chips, but I'm not like this shot. In Jamaica, all 7 things.
Yeah.
Shot, yeah.
That is it. A bit windy, people, but it's the next day, yeah? What else is proper English? Greg's. A Greg sausage roll. You know what I'm saying? Proper. That is it. Sausage roll. He tried the steak bake the other day. See, nice the sausage roll thing. What do you think about it? Good? That is it. That is it, people. That's the end of the episode. You see me? Showing my bridging the most English food possible. We had pie and mash, fish and chips, sausage roll from Greg's.
That is it, man. You hear that?
Good vibes,
English
man.
vibe, English food. You know the thing, you hear that?
That is it.
That's a good one.
Do you know what I might do for another episode, people? I think the next one, I'm gonna show them the most authentic places we can get the most authentic Jamaican food here in the UK. Yeah, switch it up. I remember say that's why I have to love England, you know, because all different cultures and blended into one. So I'm gonna show him. Maybe we do like a whole we can do like a Jamaican version, then maybe like an Asian version. We can do some different versions, showing him the best of what there is in the England. That is it, people. A good vibes though. I feel like I've done the right thing. Yeah, I feel like I've done the right thing. Again, let me know in the comment section if you thought I showed him the proper style, isn't he? But yeah, we're fully active, man. If you ain't subscribed already, please do the right thing. Hit that like button and get the video moving, you understand? We're fully active, man. Cook and vibe. I don't know what we're going to do next, but we're definitely going to get in the garden more. Yeah, need to do an update from the last episode. We've got a few more things to plant as well. So yeah, man, we're going to get busy in the garden next time. People, big up yourself. Big up everyone that supports the channel. I'll see you again very, very soon.